Welcome to Amtrak Acela, high-speed rail's rocky road. We're diving into the history and future of America's fastest trains. For decades, high-speed rail has been a distant dream in the United States. Today, we're exploring Amtrak's journey to make it a reality. Amtrak's Acela Express, serving the Northeast Corridor, has been the closest America has come to true high-speed rail. But its path has been anything but smooth, marked by years of delays and setbacks. The original Acela, launched in 2000, promised a new era of rail travel in the Northeast. It was America's first, and remains its only, high-speed rail service. Connecting major cities like Washington, D.C., New York, and Boston, it aimed to compete with air travel. Despite its ambitions, the rollout of the new Acela trains has been plagued by years of delays. Manufacturing issues and technical glitches pushed back the delivery date repeatedly. Extensive testing and certification processes also contributed to the extended wait. Now, after much anticipation, the new Acela trains are finally here. These next-generation trains boast improved designs, enhanced technology, and greater passenger comfort. From spacious seating to faster Wi-Fi, the new Acela promises a significantly better travel experience. The arrival of the new Acela raises questions about the future of high-speed rail in America. Will it pave the way for more widespread high-speed networks connecting major cities across the country? While Acela offers a unique travel option, alternatives like air travel and buses remain competitive. The journey of Amtrak's Acela has been a long one, filled with challenges and triumphs. What do the new Acela trains mean for the future of American rail? Only time will tell if this marks a turning point.